of the gel polish, but I haven't put anything on it. It's 2 coat of gel polish of whatever colors you prefer. It doesn't have to be exactly colors I am doing, but you can, if you want to do lighter colors, you can't. I think you might move this one out of the way for me, please. Thank you. And I'm gonna do encapsulating. A lot of you doing a gel polish and asking like this questions on how you doing encapsulating with loose glitter. So this is one of the way you can do it, and I'm gonna do these 2 colors and the blue lapis colors. We're gonna do that, and then with this one I'm gonna do, probably it's just dry right, it's still wet right now. I haven't cured anything yet, so it can really adheres the glitters so much better. So if you like loose glitter a lot, like a blast of colors could be one of the fun one to doing that. I'm gonna do this to just create a fun ombre look. If you don't want to, you can absolutely cover the whole entire nails. I think it's super cute as well. Really depends. I just share the concept, but I know you are really creative. Okay, now flash cure this. And I think at Facebook somehow it's just really weird. It's not in the bottom. Okay, so let's move on to the second nails. We're gonna do all the glitter first. This is super cute. I think I use that several times for the live tutorials on the mermaid nails. And move on to super cute, like have a rose gold to me. And again, our condensed wool gel is wool encapsulating. So thank you so much. Oh, here's a quick reminder. Thank you so much for submitting all the entries for Glitz contest. If you haven't seen your beautiful work on our story time highlights as a Glitz contest, please make sure you go back to your photos and edit the contest hashtag, like hashtag Glitz accessory and such, and hashtag Glitz contest. That's how we located your pictures. Sometimes you tag us, then it get lost, but that's how we can able to locate it and find you from our Glitz, hashtag Glitz accessory and such, and Glitz contest. The team working really hard to make sure we don't miss anyone. Somehow, some way, if we miss anyone from Facebook or from Instagram, please notify us right away so then we can get that. And then the results gonna be announced. Hold on, I'm gonna I look at the notes. I'm gonna tell you right now. I don't want to tell you the wrong date. But so excited, everyone, if you already submit and then you don't see that on yours on our end, just bear with us and send us the message so the team can able to look it up on yours, because sometimes is a hashtag can be tricky. If you're missing one letter, it will not let us view it. So that's how we able to track and view all of their beautiful work without missing it. So if you haven't seen it, just contact us. Do not assume that we're seeing it. If you don't seeing it, it means we're absolutely missing it, not because of we just couldn't locate it, your pictures or your post or your entry. So I finished the second nails. Let's do the third nails and the fourth nails. So today, dedicate to you with baby mix jars and acrylic flowers. We have a lot of requests for this. So here you go. And if any of your requests you request and you haven't seen us doing it yet, just be patient because we are going to go to all the lists. So, hey Livras, how are you? Thank you so much everyone for tuning in. All right, so I'm going to the third nails. Oh, I really like this. I don't know, they all look so cute. And it's a little pink right there. Make sure between all the glitters, like application, make sure you are How's Seattle? It good. We went one day and we came right back. So we left on Saturday and then we came right back on like Sunday night. So this is 2 day traveling. And the kids back home now. Actually, Isabella on this side. She's really want to say hi to everyone. She's staying here quiet to being helpful. Thank you, Isabella. You can say hi.
Hi.
She's really shy. She's taller than me now. The kids were teasing each other and there was a conversation. You know how wise mom is really short? Because when she was little and then she, instead of having money for buying a food and she would chose to buying her nail polish. So then she didn't have enough food to eat. So that's why she's short. That's how they're talking the conversation to each other. But it's okay. I will trade the food for nail stuff. Cute stuff. I'm going to the third nails. I'm sorry, the fourth one. It's just so much fun. Fly really fast when you're enjoying it. So then this one I'm doing a green. So I'm doing it like ombre look, but if you want solids, you can absolutely totally cover her entire nails. And this is for the short nails. You can also doing it for long nails. Today the short nail tutorial. So this is, we're doing it like like a midnight blue and shimmery. So you have something similar like this, it's absolutely can. And apply 1 thin coat of condensed glue gel. This will help encapsulating really easy. So I'm pick a little bit more glitter on the first. And the reason is I like it so much to pick it up from my brush instead of just sprinkle it on, because I can control my glitter to be flat on the nail, because if you lay your glitter flat on the nail, it gives you the most sparkle and shine versus you just sprinkle, because some of them might lay on the side instead of flat. So that's why if you like either sprinkle it in or you dip it in, I feel like some of your glitter is lay on the side. The tiny little one lay on the side instead of flat, they might kind of making your glitter looks a little bit different on dull instead of shiny. There you go. All right, so let's clear this one again, and I'm gonna make sure I'm wipe my brush to remove all this. I just want an ombre look, that's why I remove a lot of them, like a bigger particle. Great, so I'm gonna clear this one. Go ahead and clear this. So would you like to see some 3Ds on the